Each of us is a player in this game called life, but not all of us had someone who could educate us on the rules of the game. And if you don't know how to play the game, you'll be at a disadvantage compared to other players. And this is precisely what we need to address right now. With TikTok taking over the psyches of nearly everyone on the planet these days, men all over the world are on a massive ship with no one at the helm. So many guys these days are preoccupied with obtaining short-term ego enhancements by chasing confirmation and attention from girls. They are simply not doing the things that will make them effective game players. Most guys have become so enamored with immediate gratification in a never-ending rush of short-term dopamine hits that they end up walking around like literal zombies, searching for their next fix, looking for the next short burst of dopamine that they can get from a TikTok video or from a social media post. Then something happens. They come across a man who makes them feel like a deer caught in the headlights. This man appears to have everything, all of the trappings of success. He has money and a lovely lady by his side. And so all the guys who think they're playing the game, even though they aren't, see him. It immediately makes them feel inferior. To put it bluntly, it infuriates them because they know deep down that they are only tricking themselves. They are aware that their entire life has only been made up of quick dopamine hits and late night viewing of porn in their bedroom when their parents aren't home. But most importantly, and the reason that they're so angry at themselves, they know they're capable of so much more and aren't chasing after it. See, the type of guy I'm referring to is similar to the guy in university who used to have all the girls trying to chase him. But this guy is better. A successful player is the type of guy who did everything correctly. The guy who gained strength without losing momentum. And now all the other guys have to do is sit back and watch as he chases the only thing that players ever chase. That's fantastic. Something I've noticed recently is that there are a lot of other YouTube channels that a lot of you guys watch. And almost all the content on these channels simply put women down. It gives the impression that all girls are evil and out to get you. Why are these types of content getting so many views, I wondered. I finally figured out why. Many of these channels are or have been trendy because we live in a time when possibly millions of men all over the world have simply given up. Millions of men have decided that they would rather watch from the sidelines and blame others for their shortcomings and problems. If you want to be a successful player in this game called life, you must first learn how to play it and understand the rules. One of the player's fundamental rules is that he always strives for success. He's always looking for ways to improve himself, whether it's his interpersonal or his potential income. The question you must ask yourself is whether you want to spend your entire day watching someone on YouTube tell you over and over that because one dog decided to bite you, all dogs are evil and bad. Or do you want to devote your time to pursuing excellence and being a better player? Do you want to waste your time watching the Kardashians for men? Or do you want to take your game to another level and become the sort of guy that other guys can look up to and feel that they could be more like? So, the only thing a player strives for is excellence. So, the next time you're about to waste your entire day playing video games or watching male soap operas on YouTube, ask yourself, do you want to be the guy who girls chase or the guy who has to keep chasing girls because he has nothing more going on in his life? So instead of chasing quick dopamine highs, strive for excellence. Everyone watching will eventually become the successful player that all the other guys actually playing the game called life wish they could be.